Good morning, friend. Good morning, friend. I am getting ready to pack up for a trip to Jackson, Mississippi for PhD classes, and I figured this would be a perfect time for me to pick up the camera and bring you along. So at the current moment, I am definitely overpacking because I always do, and I am going to go to work for a few hours today before I hit the road because I do have to travel into Jackson. I uploaded a vlog where I went to TJ Maxx and I showed where I saw these cute little note cards that have bees on them, and they're by Martha Stewart. But I'll drop that down there. Let's see. Is the inside of the card. It has a little gold foil bee in the corner, and it has gold foil border all around it. I think that is so cute. So I like to always keep thank you cards with me, and if I can put them in my planner, I will. The only thing I don't like about the envelopes that came with these, they have the postage at the top. All right, I am all packed up, and I have a few moments before I have to be into the office. My oldest, she started her summer job today, and my husband has to, he's going to be out of pocket, so he can't get her lunch. So what I'm going to do is go and pick up her some lunch and drop it off so that she will already have it when it's time for her to eat, because she's not driving on her own as of yet. So I will do that, and then I'm going to go to the gas station and fill up, although my husband said that he would do it. You know, sometimes I get into those moments where I just want to go ahead and get things done. I appreciate his effort. When I came out to my car, he was, wiping down my wheels just to make sure that everything looked good while I was on the road. So I appreciate him. I just need to get a quarter of a tank to put it on full, and I think I can do that while I'm out. So I will run these errands and then go into the office and work on some projects that need to get done before I am completely out of pocket. Although I do bring my work with me, there's some things that I need to do in the office, and also be available for those who need to come and see me, schedule appointments, or book events. All right, see you in a little bit. Yeah, I'm sitting here at a train, and I'm just looking at all of the graffiti and the art that is on the carts. And I know it's vandalism and it's illegal, but there's some pretty talented vandalizers out here. The creativity of the art and the words that they use is pretty impressive. Now let me go and use a spray can on it, and you're gonna be appalled. I mean, I just sat there for a minute and looked at the creativity of the artwork. And of course, all of it is not good artwork, but I mean, and that their stuff is traveling all over the country. And I just hope that the artist is actually doing something with their talent. But I'm like, wow, if I had a pan of spray paint, it wouldn't look anywhere near like what I just saw. I can only spray paint something to cover it up, not make it artistic. I dropped the lunch off to my oldest. Now I am at the post office It has been so long since I have purchased stamps. So long. So I hope that I have enough money to get a book of stamps. Oh, I don't know how much they cost now. A book of stamps, $12.60. Hey friend, I am now officially on the road. I just made a stop before it got dark to use the restroom and to grab a snack and a cup of ice. I love to nibble on ice. And yeah, I'm getting ready to jump back on the road, and I should make it there 8ish. Just enough time for me to look over my assignments and readings for tomorrow and feel like I'm in a good place. All right, talk soon. I made it to my room. I sanitized it. I'm still waiting for the surfaces to dry because, yeah. And then I'm coughing from all of the fumes. So while I sit here and wait for things to dry before I can fully unpack and get situated, I wanted to jump in and let you know that I did make it. I'm looking at the viewfinder when I should be looking right at you. But I did make it, and I think I'm going to go ahead and pull out what I'm going to wear tomorrow. I'm going to do some reading, but I don't know if I need to take my shower first. But whenever I come to Jackson, I always stop off at Target. And not that I need another one. Trust me, I do not need another one. I wanted to go and pick up a journal. I'm sure you're probably asking, well, Tish, why didn't you just bring a journal from home? Good question. I packed everything, and I may have a journal, but let me know, is it just me? Sometimes when I get in a certain mood to just start over, I want to start fresh. So I went there looking for a journal that I'm going to commit to, jotting down ideas and gratitude and things that come up when I have meditation. Y'all hold on, my husband's calling. I'm back. We had to talk competition dance talk because this is our final year of competition dance, and just want to make sure she's in the classes that she wants to be in. All right, I don't know where I left off, but I'm getting ready to pick out what I'm going to wear tomorrow, put my books on the desk. Yeah, I'm thinking whether I should go ahead and shower first, and then I'm going to shower first after I pick up my clothes. Y'all, my mind. Just know, I'm getting ready to do my nighttime routine, do some work so that I can be great tomorrow. What I was also telling you about my journal, I want to start fresh, and I am going to commit to using this one to fill it up with my ideas, my gratitude, things that come out of my meditation, and so forth. And I will not use another one. Let me try to find a dry spot. Here's one. I am not going to change until I fill this up. Let me turn it around so you can see what it is. So just says note. Let me get into some light. It's still kind of wet here, you see. Just says notes. I like the color. It's in a pretty rose gold. It's by Threshold and has 120 sheets in it. So I wanted something small that could fit in my one of my small bags that I carry, and if I wanted to put it in my purse, if I'm carrying one that's not so big, this will fit in here. But look, it has this pretty gold metallic insert or inside cover, and the pages are just lined pages. I initially was looking for something that was spiral. I really like spiral notebooks, and I have some in my shop that I use currently for work, and when I want to jot down ideas, I'll show you one of those. So I will definitely still keep using those, but I think I'm going to write in this tonight before I turn in for the evening. I also went to Target to grab cards for two of my cohort members. One of them is experiencing a difficult time with a family member that is very ill, and I got this card for my class to sign. We care about you. We're thinking of you because we care so much, and we wanted to show you somehow. So we're hoping you feel all the love that we're sending to help and support you right now. And this classmate always checks on us right before class, sends us weekly motivation and inspiration. Then I have this other one. Another classmate shared that they were going through just some trials, and is always the life of the party. So just something small. Courage, strength, hope as you face one day at a time. And when I go to class, I'm going to have my classmates sign each card and possibly put something in it for my classmates. This is turning into a haul. And then at Target, I got this nail glue. I love to keep this on the go. This is not what I use when I do my nails. I use KDS glue that I order on Amazon, but for on the go, I don't like to carry the KDS with me because the top is unpredictable. So I use this Kiss Power Flex glue, and I'll put this in my my pencil pouch just to have on the go. And what else did I get from Target? Oh, microband. That's it. Y'all, I have a senior. She will be a senior this year coming up. So on the clearance, in the clearance section, I saw this, and I don't want to take them loose, but you can see it says grad, and they're little headbands. They were originally $6, and I got them for $1.80. So I was thinking that I would just get the one, and she could use one for photos. But then if we do something for her, a few of her friends who are also seniors, then I could put these at each place setting if we do a brunch or dinner. So I picked up 3 packages of these, totaling 15. Not bad. The last time I was in Jackson, I was filming me doing a what am I wearing with my camera, my good old Canon, and it broke on me. So now you see I have my new vlog camera that I've really been loving, and because of its size, y'all, I've been able to get videos up because I can whip it out and hardly nobody knows what I'm doing. But before I sign off for the evening, just want to show you what I traveled in. I wore this to work. I just have some black jeggings. Actually, Actually, let me tell you this. Everything that I'm wearing outside of my jewelry, well, let me tell you what I'm wearing. I'm going to tell you where I got everything from now that I'm looking at it. This cute little, it's like a charcoal gray peplum top. And it's comfortable. It's cute. It's fun. And I have these black jeggings. And these comfortable slide-ons. I love these. These are comfortable. And now that I do a lot of walking at work, these are my go-tos, or shoes like these, because I can rip and run, and you know, I'm not ready to wear like sneakers and stuff to work. So these work good. But this is my outfit for the day. So are you ready to hear where I got everything from? The top, the pants, and the shoes? Walmart. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Everything came from Walmart. Don't sleep on Walmart, guys. Don't sleep on Walmart. I know you give Target your time. I mean, I do too. But don't sleep on Walmart. All right, I am going to sign off for the night. All right, I'm going to sign off for the night. I am going to pick up the camera tomorrow. And thank you for traveling with me today. Thank you for spending a day with me and traveling with me to Jackson, Mississippi. I am praying that this is a great class time and we learn. So I'm going to end the vlog here. I think if I don't, I'll just see you on the next clip. But if I end it here, because I know I'm going to want to probably do a day in the life at school, I'll do that. But if I am ending the vlog here now, thank you so much for watching. Like the video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Go ahead and subscribe. Thank you so much. And until the next video, talk to you later. Bye.